Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share something personal and life-changing with you. How switching to a plant-based diet completely transformed my life. It wasn't an overnight decision, but looking back, it's one of the best things I've ever done for my health and well-being. So, here's my story and why I think going plant-based could be the right choice for you too. Let's start at the beginning. A few years ago, I wasn't feeling great. I was always tired, felt sluggish, and had no energy. My diet was full of processed foods, meat, and dairy, and I wasn't really paying attention to what I was putting into my body. I knew I needed a change, but I wasn't sure what that was. Then one day, I stumbled upon information about plant-based diets. I started reading about the benefits, how they could improve your energy, help you lose weight, and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It sounded too good to be true, but I figured why not give it a try. I wasn't sure if I could give up meat and dairy completely, but I was willing to experiment. The first week was interesting. It was a big adjustment for me.